Hi, my name is Ayushi and welcome to my channel. Have you ever been so deeply lost in something that time completely disappears? That's what art feels like to me. Whenever I draw, doodle, or create something, my mind becomes quiet. It's like entering a thoughtless state where nothing else exists except the present moment. No stress, no overthinking, just me, the paintbrush, and the flow of creation. And the more I look around, the more I realize that art exists everywhere in nature, in patterns, in emotions, in imperfections. If you look around, no two leaves are the same, no two snowflakes are the same. Everything in this nature carries its own unique design, and I think that's beautiful. Art to me is not just drawing on a piece of paper, it's a way of seeing the world. Anything can become art if you look at it creatively enough. This channel is going to be my little space to share that feeling with you through doodles, sketches, ideas, texture arts, and exploring different art styles and creating peaceful creative moments together. So, if art makes you feel calm, inspired, or simply present, then maybe you belong here too. Because there is no concept of past and future, there is only present. It's the present that makes the past. It's the present that makes the future. So I welcome you all, and now let's create something together. So maybe the real beauty of art is not just what we create, but how it makes us forget time for a little while. If you felt even a moment of peace while watching this, then this artwork already means something. Thank you for being here on the very first video of this journey. There is a lot more to come. Also, do ponder upon the question that I asked in the start of the video, that have you ever been so deeply lost into something? If yes, then come here and join me in this beautiful journey. You can also start your own artwork and just do it whenever you feel so much into chaos. You can just take a piece of paper and some paint brushes and some colors, and then you can just feel that timelessness state. Subscribe if you'd like to grow, relax, and create with me.